2 weeks ago, Bing Chat appeared in Edge Canary for Android. Now it appears Microsoft has done this. Typically, they move from Canary to Dev to Beta to Released. Did Microsoft make a fast move and skip Beta, or did they accidentally release it to the released version? Who knows? But anyway, let's show you how to enable this on Dev and released versions. Also, check out the link in the description and you can see how you use this. You can enable this by setting a flag in experiments. To do that, you need to go to edge://flags. I'll show that to you now. Okay, we're going to go into the search or enter a web address and enter in edge://flags. Now I'll click the check mark in my keyboard. The quickest method to get to it is to use the search. So type new in the search bar. So as you start typing new, it should come right up. New Bing always shows on Toolbar. And your setting is most likely default. You can change that to enabled or wait until Microsoft enables it if you leave it at default.